Alright, so I'm sure that this topic is probably going to spark a lot of debate in the comments section, which always annoys me. But I just have to complain about something. So Soundly Awake was on Twitter today, and he was complaining about how, he's extremely sick, and he had really bad food poisoning. And, me and him are self-employed, I guess you can say we are, and we don't have health insurance, so it cost him like $1 million to go to the doctor, which sucks. The cost of healthcare in this country is absurd. It's out of control. And one thing that annoys me that always happens, even when I complain about the cost of doing anything health related, there's always people on Twitter that are like, oh, you should come to Canada. Our healthcare is free. So, you know what? I actually, today, for shits and gigs, I actually looked up going to Canada, but let's say I did want to move there. So Canadians, did you know that your country would not let me into your country because I have multiple sclerosis? All these people that tell me, oh, come to Canada, Canada's so great. Your healthcare system is overburdened, and you don't want to let people in that are going to further overburden it, which makes sense, but, that's how it is. So quit telling me to come to Canada, because I can't. Now, I know America's no better. After I found that out, I looked up immigrating legally to America, and it's like impossible unless you have like $1 million to invest. No, literally, $1 million I think I read. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I think that if you want a service like healthcare, it's kind of absurd to expect that service at literally no cost. Even like in Canada, it's really not free. Your taxes are paying for it. It's not something that's just given to you as a right. You guys are paying for it yourselves. See, Nikki had to pay all that money to go to the doctor, like whatever it was, $300 or $400, but it's pretty likely that he's not going to need to go to the doctor at all this year, and therefore paying $0 into the healthcare system. Do you see what I mean? The way that we could really have healthcare for all in this country is for it to be not free, like it is in Canada. Like we would all have to pay into it. I really just wanted to get that out there, because that's like driving me crazy. Like all these insults from Canadians about how much superior their healthcare system is to ours. I just think the systems are different. And frankly, I think I would prefer a system like ours that doesn't discriminate people from immigrating into this country based on a health condition they were born with. At least you can move to America if you have multiple sclerosis, as long as you have $1 million. Or somebody you're about to marry who is a citizen. And listen, I'm not hating on Canadians, not at all. I appreciate the frig that you guys watch my damn videos, but just stop telling me to move there, because I can't, okay?